Hello gadget lovers! If you're a kitchen enthusiast, you probably already own a bunch of gadgets that make cooking a breeze. But what if I told you there are some mind-blowing innovations out there that will completely change the way you cook? From time-saving tech to gadgets that bring professional-grade cooking right into your home, today's lineup is all about the smartest kitchen tools you've never seen before. Whether it's a whisper-quiet blender that won't wake up the house or a high-tech wine pourer that makes you look like a pro, these gadgets are going to elevate your kitchen game to the next level. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 1. The world's smartest precision oven will change your breakfast routine forever. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss out on the latest tech. Let's jump right in and discover the coolest kitchen gadgets of 2025. Coming at number 10, Revolution Cooking R180. Say hello to the Revolution Cooking R180, the toaster that's redefining breakfast. Equipped with Instaglo technology, this isn't your average toaster. It delivers perfectly toasted bread every single time, with 7 cooking shades and 5 dedicated food settings for bagels, muffins, waffles, and more. But it's not just about speed, it's all about precision. The R180 ensures consistent results with no more guesswork, making every morning meal an absolute treat. If you're serious about your breakfast game, the Revolution Cooking R180 is the only toaster you'll ever need. Number 9. Breville Superk Food Blender. The Breville Superk is not your average blender, it's a powerhouse. Whether you're whipping up smoothies or crafting soups, this blender does it all. But here's the real game changer, it's incredibly quiet. No more waking up the whole house when you're making your morning smoothie. Thanks to its advanced noise suppression technology, you can blend your favorite drinks without disturbing anyone. With a 2,400-watt motor and 5 touch programs, it handles everything from velvety smoothies to perfectly blended soups with ease, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Coming at number 8, iFlow Touchless Faucet. The iFlow Touchless Faucet is the ultimate upgrade for your kitchen, ensuring a germ-free experience every time. With this smart faucet, you never need to touch it to turn it on, reducing the spread of germs around your sink. It's powered by hydropower, so no electricity is needed, making it eco-friendly and energy efficient. Plus, the smart display gives you complete control over the water flow, temperature, and even the exact amount of water you need. It's a convenient, sustainable solution that keeps your kitchen cleaner and helps save water at the same time. Number 7. Sicily Sponge Holder. Keep your sink area tidy and stylish with the Sicily Sponge Holder, the perfect solution for a clutter-free kitchen. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel, this durable and sleek organizer is designed to keep all your cleaning essentials within easy reach. It features a high brush compartment, a dedicated space for sponges and scrubbers, and even a slot for your detergent bottle. The compact design ensures it fits seamlessly by your sink without taking up too much space. Whether you're washing dishes or wiping down counters, this organizer keeps everything neat and accessible, making your daily kitchen routine more efficient and enjoyable. Say goodbye to messy sinks and hello to a cleaner, more organized kitchen. Coming at number 6, Barista 2.0 Plus. Take your at-home cocktail game to new heights with the Barista 2.0 Plus Home Automated Cocktail Maker. This smart gadget connects to your smartphone, and in just 20 seconds, it serves up cocktails just like a pro bartender. Simply choose your spirits, select your drink, and watch as Barista mixes it to perfection, all without a single spill. It's the ultimate party companion, ensuring flawless drinks every time. Coming at number 5, Gorilla Grip Garlic Press and Peel Set. If you hate peeling garlic, the Gorilla Grip Garlic Press and Peel Set is here to make your life easier. This powerful kitchen tool effortlessly minces and crushes garlic with minimal effort, saving you time and frustration. Designed with a slip-resistant grip and a sturdy, durable build, it ensures a comfortable and secure hold while you work. Not just for garlic, this versatile tool is also perfect for handling ginger, nuts, and even seeds. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this press and peel set is a must-have staple that streamlines meal prep and enhances your cooking experience. Say goodbye to sticky fingers and tedious peeling, and hello to quick and easy garlic prep. Number 4. Feppo Food Warming Mat. Say goodbye to cold meals, and hello to perfectly warm dishes with the Feppo Food Warming Mat. Designed for ultimate convenience, this innovative mat heats up in just 10 seconds, ensuring your food stays at the ideal temperature for hours. With 6 adjustable temperature settings, you have full control over how warm you want your meals, whether it's keeping dinner hot, maintaining the perfect serving temperature for side dishes, or even gently defrosting frozen foods. Perfect for family dinners, meal prepping, or hosting gatherings, this sleek and efficient warming mat is a must-have for any kitchen. No more reheating in the microwave, just set your food down and enjoy it at its best. Number 3. Supito Potato Masher. Looking to make mashed potatoes that are perfectly smooth and fluffy every time? With the Supito Potato Masher, it's easier than ever. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this tool gives you the power to mash your potatoes to perfection whether you're a home cook or a professional chef. Say goodbye to lumpy potatoes and hello to creamy, delicious results with every mash. Coming at number 2, Bear Smoothie Blender. Blend like a pro with the Bear Smoothie Blender. Packed with a powerful 700-watt motor and 3-speed control, this blender takes in everything from creamy smoothies to crushing ice effortlessly. Whether you're making a nutritious snack or a refreshing drink, it's the ultimate tool for anyone serious about health and wellness. Number 1. Anova Precision Oven. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the world's smartest oven. The Anova Precision Oven. Imagine being able to control your dinner from anywhere. Sounds like magic, right? With the Anova Precision Oven, it's not just a dream. Thanks to its smart app, you can start cooking dinner while you're on the move, ensuring your meal is ready by the time you walk through the door. Equipped with a wet bulb sensor, this oven cooks your food 50% faster than traditional methods, delivering perfectly steamed, seared, or roasted dishes every time. It's the ultimate kitchen game changer, especially for busy families who want mouth-watering meals without the stress. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Anova Precision Oven is here to make it happen. And there you have it, the 10 smartest kitchen gadgets that are truly at another level in April 2025. These game-changing tools will not only make your cooking more efficient, but will also bring a touch of innovation and fun into your kitchen. So, which one of these tech wonders is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another episode of the latest tech trends. Thanks for tuning into Trendy Tech, and we'll catch you in the next one, where we'll be bringing you even more gadgets that are changing the game. Stay smart, stay tech savvy, and keep cooking in style.